Hi again, everyone. Have you seen this cute dancing Toothless video by Cass Van de Pol that went viral last year? Well, what if we made a Lego version of it? Sounds fun, right? Especially if we can make it dance too. For the base model, I took inspiration from Gobrick's design, but I modified it to add articulation, so now we can pose it more freely. You'll see the final result at the end of the video, and I think you're gonna love it. Without further ado, let's build. Oh hey, before we continue, check out my other creations and my second channel specialized for digital builds, Cosbrick Digital. Please consider to subscribe and give it a like, and thank you if you have. Let me know in the comment if you have any suggestion. Back to the build. And there you have it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and give it a like. Until next time, stay awesome and keep on bricking.